In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly resubscribe contacts in Mailchimp. This is especially useful if you have contacts who might have accidentally unsubscribed, or if they've changed their minds and wish to start receiving your emails again. Let's dive right into it and walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's smooth and straightforward. First, you need to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. It's important to ensure you have all your login credentials handy, as you'll be needing them to access the tools we'll be discussing today. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is the heart of all your Mailchimp operations. Look over to the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This section contains your entire list of email contacts and is crucial for managing your email communications effectively. After clicking Audience, you will want to select All Contacts. This option will display a comprehensive list of every contact you have, whether they are active, unsubscribed, or cleaned. It's your command center for contact management. Now it's time to locate the specific contact you wish to resubscribe. The fastest way to do this is by using the search bar. You can search by either their name or email address. This feature is incredibly helpful for quickly pinpointing the exact contact amidst potentially thousands of other entries. Once you've found the contact in question, the next step is to verify their current status. Check if they are marked as unsubscribed or cleaned. Ensure that you don't accidentally try to resubscribe a contact who has opted out intentionally. Keep in mind that if a contact is labelled as unsubscribed or cleaned, they won't receive any of your emails until they are resubscribed. Next, you will need to click on the contact's name, which will bring up their detailed profile page. Here you'll find more specific information about this contact and their interaction with your emails. On this profile page, look for either the Edit or Actions button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu or additional options where you should look for the Resubscribe option. Before finalizing this decision, it's crucial to remember that in accordance with email marketing regulations, you can only resubscribe a contact if they have explicitly given their consent to receive emails from you again. It's a good practice to have a written confirmation or some form of agreement from the contact before taking this step to ensure compliance and maintain the trust of your subscribers. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the process of resubscribing a contact in Mailchimp, enabling them to start receiving your emails once more. Whether you're managing a small list or a vast network of contacts, these steps ensure you can efficiently manage your audience and keep your engagement strategies active. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.